How to cancel Bank of America debit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to cancel Bank of America debit card. So first thing first, just head over to your Bank of America application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, just head over to your menu section from the top left corner. And once you're inside here, finally tap on this manage debit or credit card option over here. And you should be redirected to this page where you can simply tap on this replace button over here. You just need to verify your identity, so for that you will need to provide an authorization code to your phone. So you can choose to receive it via to your text message or phone call. So just choose any one of these and just click on continue. And once you enter your authorization code, simply click on continue once again. Just remember that the code expires in 10 minutes after you request it. And then you just have to finally provide the reason for you to cancel the Bank of America debit card. And you can just get over to this page where you'll have to review the details for your replacement card and just click on continue, and just like that you have successfully cancelled Bank of America debit card. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.